Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3D printing video. This week we're going to go ahead and attempt a case for a Zippo lighter. Obviously I don't own Zippo, but I thought it'd be fun to try to make a little case for it. Nor do I own anything DC related, thinking about it. So we're going to go ahead and just get this started, and let's see how this turns out. And there you have it, one Zippo lighter case that's been printed. Finally, I can find the rest of the Zippo. Ooh, that is extremely flimsy. I did not make a very thick walls for this thing. I mean, you can see it bending, and it's actually, I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of broken already. Well, my measurements were off a bit, but we kind of got a little Zippo thing. It's kind of got a Green Lantern logo on it, but this is a laughable attempt. I need better calipers. But there you have it, folks. That is this week's video. I might try to make a slightly larger case and post that thing to Facebook. I'll have the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Thank you.